Introducing Windsurf. Windsurf is the best IDE I have ever seen. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Well, frankly, this is a place that you code, but with AI. So you can choose between ask AI to become your co-pilot or let AI take the wheel. Well, I'm gonna select the second one because I cannot code actually. And Windsurf, published by the team called Codium. And you can download Windsurf from the codium.com. So basically, Windsurf enables all the people the abilities of the coding. That's crazy. And inside of the Windsurf, you can find ChatGPT and also Cloud. I use Cloud for most of the time. Well, I have been proud of the pro user of the Windsurf for already several months. I developed a lot of applications by Windsurf. So when you download the Windsurf, you will find the interface like this, and you can click Open a folder. And after that, we are landing this screen. So the game I mentioned earlier is here. Since we already downloaded the game, so let me introduce one by another. So it was an empty folder. Then I use the Ctrl+L. Here you can tweak the AI inside. See, we have three options: ChatGPT 4.0, Cloud 3.5, Sonnet, Cascade base. So I'm selecting the Cloud, and here we can upload the image. This is something I want to suggest, because if you are a designer like me, you can use this to upload your designs to AI. That will help a lot. And here we have two options, write and chat. So if you want AI just check the code, you can use the chat functionality. But if you want a coding, so click here. And then I type what I want. And after that, AI will help us to create several files. And since it's a web game, so now all the files are in the web format. So we have index.html. Which is the homepage of our game. But in fact, I'm using an iframe because I don't want the domain to switch one by another. If you don't know what I'm talking about, no worries. Basically, you can just tell AI what you want and AI will do the rest. And in the straight.html, I have some styles here above. And here you can find the API information. You see, I'm using a DeepSeek API. How to get this? In fact, I'm just telling AI what I want and telling AI the API is. I believe you already hear the big name of the DeepSeek, right? And I just bought several APIs through the API platform, but right now we cannot log in due to the maintenance. I guess something going on here. And DeepSeek already open sourced the few models. That is really something. That means everybody can use it. That takes a lot of time and energy to maintain the services. But with API, you can easily deploy the service. So I bought a few credits on the DeepSeek platform and I get the API. And I told AI that all the NPCs in our games can use DeepSeek API when they're talking to a player. See, we have a prompts for each NPCs. Actually, we are sending this information to the service first. You are my classmate, and you're always funny, and you worry about me because I'm being targeted by the bullies in school. You can actually build up a game based on AI. And each time when players talk to NPCs, the dialogue is brand new. And for the design resources, basically, I generated those materials by Midjourney. But for the characters, I drawn by myself in Figma. This is pretty rough, but I guess something works. So you must notice that inside of an image, each half seconds will move. We animated the characters. Player1.png, I have 4 images, which is working 1, working 2, fight 1, and beaten, all in one image. And also we have sound resources. You can download free sound resources on internet, or you can create it by Sono. Yeah, basically that's it. Because we have different scenarios of the game, so when players jump from the one scenario to another, actually they are go to a brand new website. how to maintain the same credits, same amount of the blood. So I asked AI to storage all the information in the cache of the browser. This is what I want to share using Windsurf and DeepSeek to create an AI game in seconds. I hope you like it, and I cannot wait to see what you're gonna create. Don't hesitate to leave your question in the comment zone, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.